It is hot today. You know it?
Yeah, this is hotter than it's been.
Hotter than normal.
Where did I start? Right there?
That's good.